Here are the teams. Your names on the left, your teams on the right. Down at the bottom here, it has the Eagles. The Eagles on the bottom there. Again, all spots are filled in this one. We will have 2 autos per box on average on these legacy boxes. So if anybody wants to guess the player on the last auto for 20 and credit, you can use it on eBay store for breaks packs per box. Get your guesses in for the player on the last
auto of the break. We're going to have 12 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. Again, 2 autos per box on average. Good luck to everybody in this break. Up next is our 23 certified football hobby, PYT 82. Our empty box. Here's pack number 1. Good luck, everybody. Get those guesses in for the player on the last auto. And you can. There's a mini who I was just getting ready to check. Those things slide right out of here. We got Kirk Cousins, Deshaun Watson, For the Ages, Lawrence Taylor, Warren Moon on the Legends, Ozzie Newsome Legends, and our rookies. We got Darnell Washington, C.J. Stroud, and our mini is going to be a yellow cracked ice. Rashee Rice, playing right now for the Chiefs. He's had a really good rookie year so far. That'll be out of 10. 3 out of 10 on that one. Nice hit for the Chiefs spot. Rashee Rice. 3 out of 10. Cracked ice mini. Make sure you guys follow us on TikTok. We do personals. We're going to be posting breaks on there every Monday. We'll just start out with one break every Monday. Ahmad Sauce Gardner, A.J. Brown, Nick Bosa, 114 out of 199. There's a C.J. Stroud on the prize prospects. We got the Legends, Emmitt Smith, Thurman Thomas, Jaron Hall, and we have Tyree Wilson. Our next pack. Ruben's got a guess for Nico on the last auto. Anybody else want to get your guesses in? Guess the player on the last auto of this break for 20 and credit. Again, you can use that in our store for any breaks, packs, or boxes that we have in our eBay store. Tua Tagovailoa, DJ Moore, Saquon Barkley. Blast from the past set is Drew Pearson. We have the Legends, Steve Young, Maurice Jones-Drew on the Legends, Parker Washington rookie, Sean Tucker, we start off with Jared Goff here, Nick Bosa. There's our first auto, I believe. Yep, that is going to be our first. That's a Legends auto of Vernon Davis. I think that's the first Legends auto I pulled, and that's out of 15. 13 out of 15. I like the looks of this. Legends auto right there. Nice Vernon Davis. This is going to San Francisco. Check out the rest of the cards out of that pack. We have Tyreek Hill going to the Dolphins spot. He had a huge game today. There's Dan Marino, Randy Moss, Jonathan Mingo, Jalen Carter. Tyreek Hill's on pace. He's trying to get the 2,000 receiving yards. He might do it by week 17. Patrick Mahomes, Lamar Jackson. There's George Pickens. That's out of 150. 119 out of 150. We have the Generations, Devonta Adams, Randy Moss for the Raiders. Hines Ward, Joe Theismann. We got Tanner McKee and Brian Branch on the rookies. I'm going to open this pack here, and then we'll top load some of the other cards we need to top load here, and then we'll finish up the rest of the break. There's Jalen Ramsey, Jamar Chase, Garrett Wilson. There's a blast from the past, Christian Okoye, Brian Urlacher on the Legends, Vernon Davis Legends, Jackson Smith and Jigba rookie. Then we have a Michael Mayer rookie there. You know, top load some of these. We'll do a recap at the end of the break. We still have one auto left. There should be 2 autos per box on average. Again, get those guesses in for the player on that last auto. Now, there are times where in Panini products where an auto can be replaced by Panini points. So that would be typically when you wouldn't see the extra auto in there. We should have another mini as well. There's typically 2 minis per box on average as well. We hit the yellow cracked ice Rashee Rice rookie mini. That was out of 10. A lot of times we do see RPAs as the second auto in here. So hopefully we might see one of those. We got our other mini coming up. Take the base cards off the top here. We'll peel that mini. Breece Hall, Chris Jones, and our mini. That's going to go to the Dolphins. That's going to be Tyreek Hill. Tyreek Hill mini right there, the blue border. That is a 1 of 1. There we go, Miami. 1 of 1 Tyreek Hill mini. That's my first 1 of 1 mini I've pulled. I've opened a bunch of last year's legacy, a bunch of this year's. We had a 1 of 1 Tyreek Hill mini. Congrats to the Dolphins spot for that one. And that is a 1 of 1. Let's see it focused here. 1 of 1 Tyreek Hill mini right there. Nice hit, Miami. It's a good season to hit that for him. Like he said, he's going for records this year. Brian Urlacher, decades dominance. Paul Krause on the Legends. Eric Dickerson. Zay Flowers. Dalton Kincaid. Okay, congrats to the Dolphins spot on that one. We have a Roquan Smith. Dalvin Cook. There's Joe Montana. That is going to be out of 299, 179 out of 299. So the 2 minis we hit 1 out of 10, and then we hit a 1 of 1. A rookie out of 10. Tyreek Hill, 1 out of 1 on our minis. There's Josh Downs under the lights, Opti Chrome rookie. Then we have Fran Tarkenton, Joe Montana, rookie Will Levis, and Clayton Tune. We've got 4 packs left. We should have 1 auto left as well. There's Nick Chubb, Aaron Rodgers, Devonta Smith. For the ages, that's Brett Favre, Joe Green, Archie Manning, Trenton Simpson, and Marvin Mims. And our next pack, this feels like a thick one. This might have an RPA in here. See what it looks like. Unless it's a filler. We'll see here. Yeah, that's going to be the auto. Chris Godwin, Joe Burrow, and for the Green Bay Packers, it's going to be a rookie patch auto of Jaden Reed. Nice hit right there for the Packers spot. Jaden Reed, rookie patch auto. That is going to be out of 249. 10 out of 249 on that one. Very nice hit there for the Packers. So Jaden Reed would have been the guess. We didn't have too many people guessing the autos in this one. Where's my Packers people at? Usually we had a lot of Packers guesses by now. There's Jaden Reed. Nice hit there. Again for the Packers spot. So a really good box of legacy for sure. We still got 3 other packs, or well, 2 other packs, and the rest of this one. There's Michael Mayer, prize prospects. There's Michael Irvin on the Legends. Dante Culpepper. We have Tank Bigsby rookie, Cedric Tillman. We'll finish these. I'll finish top loading what we have here. Then we'll do our recap and move on to our next break, which is certified football. That'll be coming up next as PYT 82. There's Dexter Lawrence, Aiden Hutchinson. There's Quentin Johnson. This is going to be a number of prize prospects. That is out of 100, 65 out of 100 on that one. We'll top load that here in a moment. There's Decades of Dominance, Joe Green. Ray Lewis on the Legends, Jason Taylor Legends, Miles Murphy, and Bijan Robinson. Our last pack, guys. Here we go. We got Geno Smith, Travis Kelce, Mark Andrews, Optichrome rookie of Will Anderson Jr. for the Texans. There's Kurt Warner on the Legends, Bruce Smith. We have Joey Porter Jr., Josh Downs. All right, let's top load the other ones here, and then we'll do our recap, and we'll move on to our certified PYT 82 coming up next. We had one spot left in the breaks tonight. I don't know if that one's been purchased. If not, there's a link pinned to the top of the chat. Grab that last spot. I believe it's in the Mosaic Hobby break. Coming up later tonight. And we got certified, then we have Mosaic No Huddle, then Mosaic Hobby, then Classics H2 coming up next. That'll be the last one of the night. I want to thank everybody again for helping fill the breaks. We will be posting a lot more breaks than we have been here recently. Hopefully we can get back to doing 20 to 30 breaks a week. Let's do our recap. All right, there's our Joe Montana out of 299 on the Legends. Josh Downs under the lights. Prize prospects out of 100. That's Quentin Johnston. Will Anderson, Optichrome rookie. There's the Tyreek Hill 1-of-1 mini for Miami. That was a 1-of-1 right there on the Tyreek Hill. Congrats to the Dolphins spot on that one. Then we had out of 199. That's Nick Bosa for San Fran. We have C.J. Stroud on the prize prospects, Tyreek Hill under the lights, George Pickens out of 150, Rashee Rice on the cracked ice. That is 3 out of 10 on the Rashee Rice. 3 out of 10 right there. Vernon Davis auto out of 15, just a bunch of low-numbered stuff. 13 out of 15 there. Vernon Davis for San Francisco on the Legends auto. Then we have the Jaden Reed rookie patch auto. Out of 249. That was 10 out of 249 for the Packers. All right, guys, that does it for this break. Let me throw up the list for the other one. Again, guys, if you want to check out the details for the sweepstakes, go in the item description of this break. There's a link there with the details. No purchase necessary. Ends 12/31 of 2023 for this break. All right, guys, up next is our 23 certified football PYT 82.